Hi everyone, Assalam O Alikum. This is Umair. Well, guys, today I'm gonna start MS Word tutorial for beginners. I got lots of requests and lots of suggestions that I should start MS Word tutorials for beginners, and where I need to let you know, guys, about all the features in Microsoft Word. As you guys know, Microsoft Word is a most like using software in MS Office. Mostly like everywhere in every field, Microsoft Word is a basic in MS Office. So everyone needs to know about it. Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna start my MS Word first tutorial. I will cover complete MS Word just in 6 tutorials. Okay, I mean like 6 videos I will upload. Okay, and in these 6 videos, like from beginning to expert level, I will let you know, guys, all about MS Word, all the tools, all the features, each and everything. Okay, I will try not to skip anything. Okay, so let's start our MS Word first tutorial. Okay, so today we're gonna discuss about the overview of Microsoft Word. This is, guys, your title bar. Okay, where the file name is shown like MS Word tutorial number 1 file and home tab. Okay, and this is the type of your document, like MS Word document should be in docx, and this is the software name shows in title bar. Okay, and then here you got a quick access bar. Okay, you can see like the save options, undo options available here in our quick access. Okay, we can also add like another features like open file. Okay, email, spelling, grammars we can add in our quick access. Okay, according to our requirement. Okay, so let's come on the file option. Okay, and after that we got here a file option where you can open a new file. Okay, you can save your file. Okay, and the file which is already saved, you can also after making minor changes or lots of changes, you can save as that file. Okay, so there will be 2 files created in your for use. Okay, so you can use also a save as option. Okay, for use save as option, you can also press F12. Okay, it's a short key for save as, and for save option you can use Control S for simple save option. Okay, we got open option, like for open any file you saved already in your PC, the Microsoft Word file you can open from here. Okay, and Control plus O you can use for open up your new file. Okay, close file, like if you open like 2 or 3 Microsoft Word files, so you can close one by one using this. Okay, info, we got info option here, like we got permissions, prepare of sharing, versions, like permissions we have like lots of things, like we can mark as final, we can add the password on this file. Okay, and restricted editing, like if you put this feature, so no one will be able to edit this file. Okay, since until you put the password. Okay, and you are the only one will be able to edit this file. Okay, these options we got here in info. Okay, and after that we got here a recent file. Okay, so like all of the files you opened before, like Microsoft Word files will be shown here. Okay, and here we got a new file. Okay, we can open up we open the blank document, but you can also use like any kind of file if you want to make on Microsoft Word, like contact detail and different kind of files you can open up directly. Like in case you want to make envelopes, so you can directly open up from here envelopes, and different kind like forms, gift certificates, greeting cards, inventories, each and everything you can directly open from here, and you can edit according to your requirement. Okay, and here we got a print option. Okay, if you want to take a printout, so you can simply use Control P for take a printout, and you also got a option here in File tab. Okay, save and send. Save and send is like just for Outlook, for email purposes. We can use this save and send option. Okay. Okay, and now let's come to the home tab. Okay, there is a very important tab, home tab. All of our our font size, font type, and each and everything we got here in the home tab. And paragraph options we got here. We got different styles, and another like editing option, copy paste options in home tab. Okay, so let's go. First of all, we need to create a random text over here. Okay, as you guys know, I tell in previous video as well, if you want to create a random text in Microsoft Word, so you can simply go over it like is equal to or a nd bracket start bracket close and press enter. Okay, so now we will work on it. Let's select it. Okay, and here we got an option for change our font. Okay, so using this option, like right now we are in Calibri. Okay, Calibri is Microsoft Word. It's a default font. Okay, we can change it. Okay, any kind we want. We want Arial black, so we can change our text to Arial blacks font. Okay, and after that, here we got sizes. Okay, we can choose any size for our font. Okay, like 2022, the font size will be increased. Okay, any size we can choose from here. Okay, so now after that, here we got also like a grow font option. You can also increase the font size using grow font option. Just click on it, but it will be like even numbers, like 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18. Okay, so we can increase our font size using this grow font option as well, and we can also decrease our file font size using this option. Okay, well, when you go less than 12, so it will be like odd number, like -1. Font size will be less -1. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, so we can also use that. Okay, and now here we got a bold option. We can bold our font. Okay, you can use italic. Okay, this is the italic option, and we can underline our text using underline option. Okay, and we can choose underline like which kind of line we want. We can use the dotted line, we can use a dark line, and different kind of lines available here. We can use that. Okay, underline color we can change using underline color option. Okay, there's lots of color available here. We can choose any color for underline our text. Okay, so you guys can use according to your requirement as well. Okay, okay, let's get back to the normal font. So as you guys know, the 12 is a normal font size in MS Word. Okay, and now here we got one of our more option like strike through. So if we want to like this feature, mostly we are not using in when we are working in office premises, but if you got some file for review or for correction purpose, so you can use that. Simply when you're gonna press on it, so it will be a one line will show in the middle of the font. Okay, so you can select any text and you can use this. Like we just select this and we can press on it, so the line will be shown. Like in case of correction, if you got some file for correction purpose, so you can use this feature for correction purpose, and when you gave to someone other, you can know that you need to correct these words. Okay, So now after that we got a subscript option. Okay, for understand subscript option, I will add down here Y2. Let me remove this. Okay, all right. So you can use Y2 and like B12 or something. Okay, so when you're gonna select it, okay, and you can use this option we got here, subscript. Okay, okay, subscript in the bottom side. Okay, and we also have got an option subscript at the top. Okay, the word will be small and will be shown on the top. Okay, so you guys can also use this. Okay, here we got a option for our font design. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we got a font design option. Okay, we can choose any font you like to. Okay, and you can change the outline color as well. Okay, using this option. Okay, outline color can be changed. Yeah. Okay. So outline color will be changed. It's not showing very well, but you can change from here according to your requirement. Okay, and here we got a shadow options. Okay, reflections and reflections. Let's put the reflections on it. So as you guys can see, let me increase the size, and then you can feel that the reflection is already added to our text. As you guys can see now, there is a reflection shows down the font. Okay, so you guys can use that according to your requirement. Okay, and after that we got here a change case option. Okay, a change case option is very important, like sentence case. Right now our text is in sentence case. Well, we can change it to the lower case. Okay, and we can change it to the uppercase. Okay, we can also change our font to capitalize each word. Okay, capitalize each word. As you guys see, like on O is capital and the T is capital, insert I is capital. Okay, so each word, the first letter is capital now. Okay, so you can use that as well. Okay, but normally we're keeping our text in sentence case. Okay, toggle case we are not using mostly, but you guys can use. As you guys can see, the first digit is small and another digits are capital in toggle case. So okay, and here we got a highlight option. Okay, you can highlight your text. Okay, using this option we got different color in highlight. Okay, you can use any color. Well, you need to select the text which you want to highlight, and then you can use any color for highlight purpose. Okay, here we got a color for change our a font color. Okay, so let's try this. So you can change your font color. As you guys can see, the font color is changing when I'm moving my cursor on the different colors. So the font color is also changing. Okay, and here you got more colors if you want to make some different color. Okay, gradients, here we got a different like shades. Okay, if you want to use that, you can use from here different shades on your writing. Okay, and with the different colors. All right, so here we got like formatting option. Let me just give this color to our font. Let me just highlight the text. Okay, we highlight the text. Okay, is not showing very well. Well, the reason I want to show you, like, create a clear formatting. Okay, here we got a clear formatting option. Okay, so when we are gonna click on it, okay, so all the formatting we add in this file will be clear. Okay, so we add we add the highlight. Okay, it's added, but another formattings are clear. Okay, if we change the font size, let's see if we change the font size. So let's change the font size 18. Okay, and when you're gonna click on it, your font size, your formatting will be as same as at the initial step. Okay, so you can use that feature also when you use lots of formatting and you want to remove them at once, so you can use this clear formatting option. Okay, and after that guys, we got here, now let's come behind. Here we got copy paste options. Okay, here we got a copy option. Okay, you can copy from here and you can paste over here using a paste option. Okay, we got different paste option like keep source formatting, keep merge formatting. Okay, for understand that more better, let's put on the page numbering. Okay, well, here we got a bullets option, and we got, let's discuss about it. Okay, here we got a bullet option. Okay, here you can use bullets. Okay, any kind of bullets you want. Okay, here also you guys can see I add my logo. So if this kind of any picture or any different bullet if you want to add, so I'll let you know. Here you got a symbol. Okay, any symbol you can use for get as a bullet. Okay, like let me just add this arrow sign. Okay, so you guys can see now, like as our bullet, I choose the arrow sign, so it's already added. Okay, and if we want to choose like any picture or something, so here we got a picture option. Okay, I choose from here my logo and insert, and I make it okay, so I can put my logo or any other picture as a bullet. Okay, so guys, now after that, here we got a numbering option. We got a different kind of numbering, one with a dot, one with a bracket, and we got Romans, we got capitalized A, B, C, and we got small letters, and we got like different kind of numberings we can use from here. We can choose from here if we want to get numbering from like we can change the list level. Okay, well, we got better option for list level. Later on I'll let you know. To find the number format, here we can choose the number format we want. Okay, any number format we want we can choose from here. Let's use this. Okay, so here we got a number option. Okay, and guys, now after that we got here a level. Sorry. Okay, here we got now a list option. Okay, and there's a different kind of design we available here. So like this list design we choose. Let me just explain it to you guys. Okay, and when we press enter, number 2 is available, but when we press tab option, okay, let's say I press tab option, okay, because we choose a different numbering. Okay, so it's automatic generated number A. Okay, let me write down something here. It's already checked on the superscript, so let's remove it. Okay, when I press enter, okay, now it's in the continue list like A bracket, B bracket, and but when I press tab option, the next option is like a Roman. Okay, let's write something here. Okay, and then press tab. So like as you see, it's a numbering list. Okay, different kind of numbers and multi-level list, okay, will be shown when we press tab. When we go increase the level, the list even going to be changed. Okay, there's a lots of, as usual, as you can see down here, we choose this numbering. So you will get number 1 with a bracket, and then A with a bracket, then Roman, then 1 with a double bracket, and then A, then Roman, and then 1 with dot, A with dot, and Roman with dot. Okay, and after that, if we go more, so it will come again at the first part, like 1 with single bracket. Okay, so you guys can use that as well. Here we got also like when we are typing a book or something, so this kind of numbering, as you guys know, when you're reading some books, so this kind of numbering is shown over there. You can use that as well. Just pressing tab, you will get 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, so this kind of numbering you can also use that. Okay, so now let me just clear it. Okay, so after that, guys, here we got option for keep our paragraph to the right, left, or if we want to keep it at the middle, we can use that. Okay, here your text is in the middle. Okay, you can make your text at the left side. Okay, and here we got a justify option. Okay, let me just show you the justify option more clearly, because that is important. Okay, as you guys see, the corner of this text is not equal, but when we go on justify option, so you will see the corners are going to be equal. Okay, and after that, guys, we got one more option over here. Okay, like it's you can see increase indent and decrease indent. Okay, let's press on it, increase indent. So you will see like 1 point your indent or your text will be moved forward. Okay, so step by step we can move our text. Okay, if we want to. Okay, like that. Okay, and you can go back as well, step by step. Okay, for decrease indent option. Okay, and now, guys, here we got a line spacing option. Okay, line spacing option we got here like 1.5, 2.0, 2.5. So any line spacing we want, we can use that from here. Okay, we can also choose a line spacing option. There we got lots of other options as well. Let's talk about add space before paragraph or after paragraph. So here already added a remove space after paragraph. Already space added after paragraph. Let's remove it. Okay, and you can add space after paragraphs. Okay, so according to your requirements, you guys can add and add space before paragraph or after paragraph. You can use from here. Okay, in the line spacing option we got here line justified. Okay, body text, and here we got an option when we can, let's see, like it's from the second line it will be moved. Okay, when we increase or decrease this option, the first line will be at the same place, but the second line, second, third, or all the paragraph lines will be moved forward. Okay, so we'll keep it over here. Most of the time we need to move. Yeah, here we can choose our line spacing, but the better options we got already there in the main menu. Okay, 1.5 or 2.0 and 2.5, 3.0. We got the options there. We can choose from there our line spacing option, but if you want more deeper, so you can choose your line spacing option from here as well. Okay, and before, after, as we got like before a paragraph and after paragraph, here we got option. We can specify from here. We can increase and decrease, okay, the level of after paragraph and before paragraph from here. Okay, so and after changing these sizes, if you want to keep that as default, Okay, and now like whenever you're going to open up the Microsoft Word document and you're going to make a new file, so it will be set as default line spacing. So same line spacing will be in all new files. Okay, so well, I'm not gonna use that. Okay, just press OK. So line spacing, the one we choose, so there, so it's already showing over here. Okay, and now after that we got here a shading option. Okay, so guys, there's one a little different in shading and highlight option. Okay, let me show you. Like when you do highlight, so there is the in between there is the white lines. Okay, only the font is highlighted. Okay, other place is not shaded, or there is no color on other places. Okay, in the middle. Okay, but when you're going to use a shading option, you will see all the selected area will be shaded by the color you choose. Okay, any color you can choose from here, and you can add the shade on the selected area. Okay, and after you add that, okay, if you want to remove it, so we got option as well. So we got here a no color option. Okay, you can choose from here no color, and all the shades will be removed. We got here even more color option. We can make the color we want. If we want some different colors, so we can choose from here according to our requirement. Okay, and now guys, here we got a sort option. Okay, so let's for understand the sort option, let's make a table. Okay, so here we're going to take any table. Okay, so we can add down the values over here, like 45, then 55, then 15, and 35, and 25. Okay guys, okay, so guys, now let's try to make it in ascending or descending order. Okay, so guys, here we got ascending and descending orders. Okay, it's in number column 1. Okay, just press OK, and now now we got here our numbers in ascending option: 15, 25, 35, 45, and 55. Okay, so let's try a descending option, and you guys can see now it's in descending option. And guys, one more thing, let you know guys, like here we got a header row or no header row. If we adding a header row, so our first digit will be same, and the other digits will be change. Other digit only will be. Now I'm changing the text in ascending order, and I'm adding here that I have a header row which will not be changed. Only the other rows, the order will be changed in ascending orders. Okay, so let's see, like 55 is my header row, and other options is in ascending order now: 15, 25, 35, 45. And guys, you can apply this ascending descending order as your text format, as a text format as well. Let's add like some names, okay, in random orders. Okay, so guys, here we got some names in like random format. We can change it as well in ascending orders. Let's do it in ascending order. So as you can see now, our names in ascending orders, like the name started with A will on the top, and after that is B, and then we don't have a C and D, so that's why the third is Ishal started with E, and then G, and then Z. As usual, we can also change our text to the descending option. Okay, so now started with Z is on the top and started with A in the bottom side. Okay, so now guys, one more thing we got here, now a table option, like a border option. Okay, here we can choose like no borders, so there will all the borders will be removed. Okay, and we can choose like left border, we can choose right border from here. Okay, let's see, like only white border we choose. Okay, we can also choose like a left border, top border. Okay, now the top border is added. Okay, and we can use like no borders, and then we can choose inside borders as well. So the inside borders will be generated, but the outer side of this table is removed, like there is no border in the outer side. Okay, so you guys can use these options as well. Okay, and one more thing, like here you got also like a draw table option, view grid lines, and border and shading options. Okay, using these options you can also change the, like if we are putting here all borders. Okay, and we will be able to change the border size. Okay, like the border width we can change as well. Okay, let's change it and let's check. As you see, the border width is changed. Now it's in the dark borders. Okay, we can change according to the dotted border, and another borders we can use as well. Okay, so guys, now after that we got here one more option with us, like we got this option. Okay, this is a show and hide option. Okay, this it will show you actually when you are gonna press on it, it will show you actually your formatting and your paragraph starting points. Okay, and it will just like mostly this show and hide feature we are using at the when we complete already our file, we can check down there like paragraph starting, and there is not extra or useless formatting we add in this file, which is not showing, which is hidden, but using this option it will show as well, even if it's in hidden format. Okay, so when I press on it, you guys can see it's showing me like my paragraph is starting from here. Okay, this arrow is actually a sign that my paragraph is starting from here and here is ending. Okay, all the paragraph is showing that. Okay, and here we got, okay, and when we don't have a numbering, as you guys see, is ending point is showing, but there is no arrow because there we got numbers. Here we doesn't have anything. Okay, and here is showing that like a page break option. Okay, let's remove this first. Okay, and if I am entering like more times, okay, and then when I choose this option, I'm sure. Okay, so as you guys see, the page break now is showing that the page break is starting from this point, from this line. Okay, so you can use this option as well. Okay, now we got here one more thing, like let me show you guys, like now copy paste option. Let's come on it. Okay, we skipped that before. Okay, now we can copy this text from here. Okay, and we can go over here. Yeah, and we can use the paste options. We got here a paste option like continue list. Okay, and then we got another option like new list, or you just want to put simply as text as you copy, same you want to paste. Okay, so here we got three options. Okay, we also got a paste special option. In these options we can see Microsoft Word document object. If you're choosing this, so you will paste your text as the object. Okay, you guys can see there is the lines in outer side of this text. Now this we paste as object. Okay, so let's remove it, and we got another paste special options like RTF. Okay, if you're using this formatted text as RTF option, so like if you add any header or footer in this file on this page, so in the header and footer will also be copied and will be pasted wherever you paste in. Okay, and using this option, like we got a picture paste as well, we can use this as well. We got here now a picture paste. Okay, we can increase, it's now as like picture. Okay, we can increase the size, we can decrease it as well. Okay, as you can see, is just like a picture. Okay, so that is our paste options, paste special options, and some options we got as well, like HTML. This is going to be paste as HTML and unformatted Unicode text. Okay, so this is a different option. Mostly we are not using that options. Okay, well, you can also set a default paste. Okay, then you will get these same options like paste special options. Well, you can set as default as well from this option. Okay, and now we got a cut option. Like we choose this, and if we're gonna press on it, so it's gonna be cut, and we can paste as well any place we want. Okay, so it's cut and paste option we got here. Okay, now the most important thing, we got a highlighter. Okay, so highlighter, just to show you, like this option we got here as a format painter. Okay, format painter option, just to understand that we need to change the font. Okay, this option, format painter option, guys, we mostly using when we have different kind of font in the one word file. So we using this option for make the font size equal in all your file. Okay, so we choose now the Arial black font size here, but our other file is in Calibri body, so we want to change this text to Calibri body. Okay, like if we got lots of text in our file, it's a huge file, so you can use the format painter. Before you take the format painter, you need to select the font which you want to convert your another font. Okay, so just select it first, and then after that you can click on it. We can click on the format painter. Okay, and here we got option. We need to just as you guys can see, I got a brush with my cursor, but I'm gonna select this text, and I will leave, and this font which is we choose like Arial black will be converted to the earlier selected font, which is Calibri body. Okay, so let's undo this. Okay, we got undo option here. So now if we want to change our font one by one, like word by word, so simply we're going to select the text which we want to convert our another text, like another font. Okay, so here you format painter, in that case, when you want to choose one by one, like one word you want to change in the selected writing. Okay, so you're going to press it 2 times. Okay, you need to double click on format painter. Okay, and after that okay, when you got the brush with your cursor, simply you're going to click on the on any word, it will be converted to the earlier selected font. Okay, as you guys can see which word I'm just clicking, and it converting to the Calibri font. Okay, so you guys can use this format painter option for that. Okay, and now guys, we got another options like uh, let me show you, like actually we got another things like we change our font, we choose the paragraph settings, okay, each and everything. But here we got some Microsoft Word is provide us some like styles, okay, which we can directly choose from here. As you guys see, your font color, your font size is increasing automatically, okay, according to the style we are choosing. Microsoft provide a lot of style here. Okay, you can choose any style according to your requirement. If you don't want to if you want to choose automatic style, so you can choose from here. Okay, here you got a lots of like styles. Okay, clear formatting, as you guys got even here, so we got here even clear formatting option. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and now here we got a find option. So if you want to find something from Word from your file, so you can choose this option. You can like we got here on our file home. Okay, let's find home. Okay, when I press enter, you guys can see like it's showing us like one of four match this find option found for us that in this file. Okay, home and two home word we got here. Okay, so this is actually a find option. Any word you want to find, you can find from your word file. Okay, and here we got a okay guys, so now we got here a replace option. Okay, and now let's click on it. Okay, so any word from the file, like we got home in this file. Okay, and we want to replace this word to like on home. Okay, so wherever you got a home word, it will be converted to on home. Okay, in the all file, no matter if your file is a huge file like 10 pages, 20 pages file, so wherever is written HOME home, it will be converted to on home. Okay, we can do it one by one as well. Like if you got a home word in like 4 times we got in this file, so we can convert it one by one as well, and we can use the replace all option for at once all the home word will be converted to on home. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, and let's see. Okay, here we got wherever written is home, it's converted to the on home. Okay, as you guys can see here. All right, and one more thing guys, we got here a go to option. Okay, find option, replace option, and we got go to option as well. Okay, so here you can choose like a bookmark, comment, footnote, line number, like you can add the number here and you will be at the same line. And the most importantly, we are using this option for page number. Like if we got page numbers on our file and we got a huge file like 10 pages, 20 pages file, so directly we want to jump to the different page, another page, so we can write down here a page number. Okay, like I will add here like second page. So when I press go to, so we got 2 pages. Okay, so I'm here now on the second page. Okay, so after that we got here one more option like select option. This is mostly we are not using, it's for select all. Okay, you can use that. Okay, so mostly we are using our mouse pointer for selection purpose. Okay, so that's it guys. That's actually your home tab. I want to cover it. Okay, and another things here, we got some options in the bottom of our Word. Okay, we got here a zoom option. Okay, you can zoom in, zoom out our file. Okay, for working more betterly. Okay, and here we also got here a full screen option, a book type option, and the different. Okay, so now after that, here we got this side, at the left side we got page 1 of 2. Like this file is 2 pages file, so it's showing from we are at the number 1 page, and the file pages are 2 pages. Okay, so it's showing over here. If we make a third page on this file, so as you guys see, now it's showing like we are at the third page, so 3 of 3 is showing over here, page number. And here we got a word count as well. Okay, 386 word we type on this file. Okay, so it's showing over here like word count. Okay, so that's it, guys. The first tutorial is done right now. Okay, so I'll see you guys again in the Microsoft Word tutorial number 2, which will be the insert, or regarding insert. Okay, we got very important things in insert tab. Okay, so we will discuss about it in Microsoft Word tutorial number 2. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care of yourself. Okay, and see you in the next tutorial.